Fuzzball, what are you doing on that sofa? Get out of here. Go play. Here. Go. Before we kick this video off, I want to issue a little disclaimer. I am in no way, shape, or form an interior designer or anti-pets. I'm just a dude who cleans with a fake cat and a vacuum cleaner. And I know what fabrics are easy to clean and what fabrics are not so easy to clean. And let's face it, there's nothing better than curling up with your furry little friend on that perfect sofa that's comfortable, works with your style that you love and that all your other house guests also love. The issue, however, is that all sofas were not created equal. Some are pet friendly, odor resistant, easy to clean. Other sofas will make your life a living nightmare. And so for all my pet owners out there, I'm going over 6 fabrics that you should avoid. Number 1 on the list, chenille. While this fabric is very soft and feels amazing to the touch, it's also incredibly amazing at hiding dirt. So a chenille couch with a lot of pets on it gets incredibly filthy dirty. Also, the way it's designed with these small little loops, of fabric or whatever. So it's really, really bad for claws, specifically cat claws. So you get cats on it all the time, they're, jumping around and they get their claws stuck and then they have these paw spasms or whatever and you get these little strands of thread all over and then you're left with a shaggy couch that really can't be fixed. The second fabric you should avoid is silk. It should go without saying that silk is not very pet friendly. Or child friendly for that matter. It stains easy, it rips easy, it can't withstand any moisture, and it's expensive. I tell you, if you're gonna buy a silk sofa, lock it away in calm, quiet solitude. The third fabric you should be avoiding is velvet. Velvet just has an innate elegance about it, but it is horrid when it comes to pets. Velvet is just a really delicate fabric. It's incredibly difficult to get stains out of, and then when you have dogs just jumping all over it, they're going to damage it permanently because they end up crushing the fibers, leaving it looking less than luxurious. The fourth fabric to stay away from is tweed. It's a lot like chenille, it's a looser weave, which means it's susceptible to claw damage. And also, the thing about tweed is somehow that pet hair just embeds and sticks to it like duct tape. It's incredibly annoying. And even if you are able to keep your pets off the furniture, say they're good little boys and girls, good little dogs or whatever, the hair somehow magically finds its way and floats through the air and sticks to that sofa. So, by all means, whatever you do, stay away from tweed. And number 5, linen. So, linen is an open weave. It's an open weave, so if you have a cat with claws and he's rambunctious, it's just going to turn your couch into a mangled mess. So, pretty straightforward with that one. Now, some of you are probably like, Tommy, why don't you just declaw the cat? You would solve a lot of your issues, then all you'd have to worry about is pet hair. Well, yeah, that's true, but personally, I don't really advocate for that because I think declawing a cat is a cruel thing to do to the animal. That's my personal opinion, though, and I'll just leave it at that. So, my friends, I have given you the glass half empty. I have been the bearer of bad news. I've told you what you can't do. Now what? What kind of fabrics should you be looking for when you're investing in a pet-friendly sofa? Well, it's all about the weave. As a general rule of thumb, the tighter the weave, the less likely you are to grieve. It'll be easier to clean and the less likely you're going to have to deal with claw damage. So stick with things like microfiber, leather, krypton. All those fabrics are great for you and your four-legged friend. So that's it. That's my list of the 5 worst fabrics that you can have in your home as a pet owner. But I want to know what you think. Share with me some of your experiences. Let me know down in the comments down below.